What impact does the attack on the monastery have on Ukraine's cultural heritage amid the war? This assault is more than a military strike. It threatens centuries of history and identity. Monasteries in Ukraine are not only places of worship, but also guardians of centuries-old manuscripts, art, and architecture. Many have survived wars and invasions, preserving the country's identity. When an attack damages these sites, it erases irreplaceable cultural symbols that connect people to their past and faith. This loss goes beyond physical destruction, shaking the foundations of Ukrainian heritage and morale. The attack on a monastery disrupts more than buildings. It strikes at the cultural heart of communities. These sacred sites foster national pride and unity, especially during times of conflict. Destroying them can weaken cultural resilience and collective memory, making it harder for people to find strength and hope amid war's chaos. Ukraine's monasteries are recognized as part of humanity's shared cultural wealth. They attract scholars and tourists worldwide, contributing to global understanding of history and faith. Attacking these sites damages global heritage, depriving future generations of the chance to learn from and appreciate this rich culture. Despite the devastation, efforts to safeguard and restore monasteries continue. Local communities and international organizations collaborate to document, protect, and rebuild damaged sites. This commitment highlights the importance of preserving cultural heritage even during war, underscoring that culture is a vital part of recovery and peacebuilding. The attack on Ukraine's monastery is a profound loss for cultural heritage, community identity, and global history. Protecting such sites is crucial for preserving the spirit and resilience of a nation. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay curious about the world's hidden stories.